What it do, everybody? What's up? I'm here. I'm not feeling great. I'm not feeling myself. I ain't sick or nothing, but let's be honest about mental health for 1 second. Look at my head, first of all. You see my hair like this, and it's like this for as long as it's been like this. This is depressed Shelby. And I can tell you that I'm depressed, but not in a, I don't want to say not like I'm sad way, but I'm just not myself. You know, I let a lot of other things take over for what really need to be done, or with even keeping up with myself. But this right here is depressed Shelby. You see me looking like this, this is Shelby that just come home, take her shower, and get in her bed. But today, Shelby snapping out of it. Cause no, I can't go around looking like this. I'm too funny. So anyway, today is self-care day. I'm doing my hair. I'm doing these nails. Just because I want to. I'm snapping out of it. I don't like the way I feel. I'm not gonna let it hold me down. So I ain't gonna take y'all through the whole long process of me doing all of this. I'm just gonna take y'all on my journey of putting a smile back on my face, because if I can't do it, you can't do it. So I'm gonna do it for me, okay? Today is December the 12th, and we are too close to Christmas to be looking like Halloween. We're not doing that. So let's get this washed. Let's get it twisted. Let's get it looking like something, okay? Let's go. Because I have locks, I get so many questions about my locks. And one of the questions I get is, how do you put all that hair up? So I'm about to show y'all how I put it up just to begin to twist it. To start it, I get a headband, because this is a lot of hair. This is the whole headband. I get a headband and I put it up. So this is how I put it up. And that was up and out of the way. And I can just start by pulling one at a time. I know it don't hurt. They're pretty loose up here, but I'm about to start twisting this. I won't make y'all watch the whole thing, but I'll check in from time to time. I'll be back. Almost there. All right, y'all. So I'm almost done with my hair. Don't look back there. That's life back there, okay? Don't look back there. But I'm almost done with my hair. I'm honestly doing this faster than I usually do. And forgive my TV, it's loud, but whatever. Gotta watch something while I'm doing this. But as you can see, I'm almost done. I just got a little bit loud. So yeah, once I'm done, I'm gonna style it, and I'm gonna do something to it this time, because I never style my hair. I'm gonna figure out something, but I'm gonna style it, and then we're gonna be on to the next one, because for real, it's late at night. I'll talk about that in a minute. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and it's done. As you can see, it's the next day. It's all bright outside and stuff. But I am about to style this. I don't know how I want to style it, or, I'm sorry, y'all, my eyes just start itching. I don't know how I want to style it, but I said I was going to style it, so I'm going to go ahead and style it. I'm so used to my hair just being down that it's just comfortable with it being that way. I have this leaning to the side because I'm about to do something with the top of my head. It probably ain't going to be nothing amazing, crazy, but I'm going to do something, because that's what I do. I'll probably show y'all as I go, and then I'll just go ahead and show y'all the finish of it, because I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I just want it to look like something other than just being down. So hold up a second. I'll let y'all see bits and pieces, and I'll be back. That's the start. That's just the start. All right, so even though I have not done anything to my hair yet other than put it in a ponytail, I am going to go ahead and start my nails because I want to get those out the way and then go ahead and do what I have planned to do to my nails. I'm gonna go ahead and start my nails, and I'm gonna show y'all what it is I plan on doing. I'm going for a winter wonderland theme. It's literally just a theme. It's a look because it's winter. It's still fall. Y'all know what I mean. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna show y'all what I have to get it done. All right, so first of all, I got a whole bunch of stuff surrounding me. Like, excuse me, I got my nail lamp, I got my nail drill, I got my dapping dish, which is a shot glass. I have my top coat, my base coat, my nail color that's just a white. I got my cuticle oil. None of this stuff is in order. It's just over here. I'm using Core Clear. Y'all know that I have Young Nail products in my house. This is what I have. So this is what I'll be using. This is the Core Clear. I have some Saviland colors. The two colors that I have are baby blue. Can y'all see it? Baby blue and sky blue. I'm not too sure which one I'm gonna use. So I got my nail glue. I got my swipe, also dehydrator. I have my monomer, because you gotta have that if you're doing some acrylic. I got my drill bits. I got my tools that I plan on using. I don't know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see? Look. I have already sorted out my nail tips. Last time I did, what's the things called? Nail forms. So this time I'm doing tips. And then this is gonna sort out my Winter Wonderland theme. I bought this bag from Michael's a couple of years ago. And I really wanted to use it for something, and I never did. I just put it into containers and left them like that. So they're kind of like in containers like this in my house, and I still have this much left. But I want to cut these up a little bit more and use these on my nails. Anyway, y'all can't see what I can see in my head, but I'm about to get this started. So let's go. My scissors got stuck, y'all. Like, they won't budge. What kind of glue is this? Alright, y'all. I done cut them, shaped them, kind of like how I want them. Now, I am about to apply my iridescent flakes onto a few of my nails. I'm not sure exactly how I want to do it, but I'm gonna figure out how to do it. But what I'm using is just some base coat just to get it to stick up there. after being gone for so long, I finished this hand. I hate these 2 nails that I did. And I kind of decided that I'm just not going to put color at all and literally just go with the iridescent confetti glitter on all my nails. But because they're stuck like this and I'm too stubborn to change it, I'm going to just make them look cute. Okay? So, I also just did something real stupid while watching TV. I took my brush and dipped it in my powder instead of in my monomer, but I cleaned it up real quick, so I have to refill my monomer because I just did girl, what in the world. So we refilling that. I'm getting rid of these colors, and I am just from this point on gonna be doing, which I'm about to do this hand. I never let y'all see me do this hand because it is atrocity. Okay, I'm about to do this hand. I'm gonna clean everything up, and when I get finished, I'll be back because I'm not about to take y'all through all that. It's just a glow up. All right, hold on. Okay, y'all. My phone died, so. But anyway, I filed, shaped, and buffed my nails. It's not what I want, but we're gonna go with it. Alright, I give y'all an outside shot of just one hand. I don't like the other hand, but my hand's a little ishy. As always, thank y'all for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see next. I'll talk to you later.